Good morning children, myself Ratnamala, I am your maths teacher. Today we will learn about large numbers. Before going to this topic, first we will learn what are digits and what are numbers. See everyone, 0 to 9. 0 to 9. These are called digits. 0 to 9 are called digits. Using these digits we will form numbers. Take any one digit, 1, and take another digit, 0. Now it is 10. This is a numbers. Like this, using these digits, 0 to 9 digits, we are forming numbers. Okay. What is the smallest one digit number? Smallest one digit number is 1. What is greatest one digit number? The greatest one digit number is 9. What is the smallest two digit number? What is smallest two digit number? Two digit number is 10. What is the greatest two digit number? The greatest two digit number is 99. Like this we will write same. Smallest 5 digit number. What is the smallest 5 digit number? The smallest 5 digit number is 10,000 and the greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. Like this we can write all numbers. So what is the smallest one digit number? 1. Greatest one digit number? 9. Smallest two digit number? 10. Greatest two digit number? 99. And the smallest 5 digit number? 10,000. And the greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. Up to 5 digit we have a class. Next one is number systems. Mainly we have two number systems. How many number systems? Two number systems. Those are national number system, national number system. What is first one? National number system. For this another name also there. That is Hindu-Arabic number system. What is second name? Hindu-Arabic number system. Another name also there. National system, Hindu-Arabic number system and national number system or Hindu-Arabic system, and third one is Indian system. What is third one? Indian system. Means this is our number system. We are following this number system. Second one is international system. Second one is international number system. Or British system. British number system. So what are the main two number systems? National number system or international number system. In national system only and the two names also there. Hindu-Arabic system or Indian system. For international system another name is British number system. Now we will learn about national number system. National number system. Our national number system divided into 4 periods. Our national number system divided into 4 periods. Those are, first one is ones period. Second one is thousands period. categories. First one is ones, second one is tens, third one is hundreds. Thousands period divided into two categories. One is thousand, second one is 10,000. And lakhs period divided into two categories. First one is lakhs and second one is 10 lakhs. Crores period divided into two categories. Crores and second one is 10 crores. So this is the national system table. So national system divided into first four categories. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period, and again every period divided into different parts. Ones period divided into 3 parts, and thousands period divided into 2 parts, lakhs period divided into 2 parts, crores period divided into 2 parts. Okay, ones. Next one is tens. Next one is hundreds. Next one is thousands. Next 10,000. Next lakhs. Next 10 lakhs. Crores and 10 crores. Okay, this is national system box. Like this, we will write place values. Next, number system over the number system mainly divided into 4 periods, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. After that, we will learn about how to keep commas. How to keep commas. Take any one number, large number take. 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 7. How we read this number without commas? So first we will learn how to keep commas. See here, ones period divided into how many parts? 3 parts. So from left side onwards count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 means before 2 we will keep indicate first comma. So this up to here ones period over. Now which period? Thousands period. Thousand period means 2 categories. So here 3, 4. Before 4 keep comma. Okay, thousands period over. Now lakhs period. Lakhs period how many parts? Total 2. 2, 3. So in front there is no number, so no need to keep comma. So here 32 after, 43 after, and 257. Now write place values. Here some in ones place, 5 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place, 3 in thousands place, 4 in 10,000 place, and 2 in lakhs place, and 3 in 10 lakhs place. Okay, like this we can indicate commas. So first, how we keep commas means from left side onwards count digits. First 3 numbers before comma, next 2 numbers after, next like this continue. Okay, now how to write numbers in words. How to write numbers in words. Now see, for this number only we will write in words. 3 in 10 lakhs place, 2 in lakhs place. Total 32. So 32 in which place? Lakhs place. So write 32 lakhs. Now 43 in which place? Thousands place. So 43,000. 257. It is in ones period. So 257. Like this, we will write number names also. Take another example. So first, we will indicate commas. 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2. First 3 after, next 2 after. Now write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. So here 9 in which place? Lakhs 9 lakhs 62 in which place? Thousands place. So 62,000 304 in which place? Ones period. So 300 in tens place. Any number not there, only 0. That's why don't write anything. 304. Like this we will write words. Okay, figure in words. This is the figure in how to write figures in words. Next. Next we will learn how to write figures, words in figures. Words in figures. Take any one example. 8,000 900 12 8,912. So first once check what are the places given here. Thousands place here, 100 place here, and last 12. So first before that first write places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here only last one is thousands, no? So up to 1000 enough. See ones place. First 12. 12 means it is in ones place number, tens place number. So 12. 100. 100 in 100 place which number is here? 9. So 9 right here. Next in thousands place which number is here? 8. So write 8. So this is 8,912. So like this we will write words into figures. Take another example. 6 lakhs 84,000 6 lakhs 84,200 13. What is the given number? 6 lakhs 84,213. So first write place values. What is the last place value? Lakhs. So up to lakhs write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Okay. See children, in last place which number is here? 6. So first write 6. In thousands place which number is here? 84,000. Total thousands period 84. So write in thousands period 84. In ones period which number is here? 213. So in ones period write 213. So 6 lakhs 84,213. Like this we will write words into figures. Okay. Until we are learning about how to keep commas, how to write numbers in figures, figures in numbers. Next topic is expanded form. What is the next topic? Expanded form. Now we will learn how to expand the given number. Take one number. 74,326. 74,326. Before that, first write place values here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000 place. So 74,326. So first write 7. Easy method. Here after 7, 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. Like this we can expand each and every number. So like this we can write general number into expanded form. Now we will learn about standard form. Standard form means expanded form number write into general number. See here 80,000 plus 2,000 plus 20 plus 5. Now first write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay. What is 10,000 number here? 8. 8 write in 10,000 space. Now 1,000 space 2. So write 2 here. Now 100. Here 100 place is missing. So in place of hundreds keep 0. Now what is tens digit number? 2. So write 2 here. Now ones place number 5. So what is the general number? 82,025. Thank you children. Next topic we will continue in another part.